guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be my July Boxy charm unboxing. So I'm going to be showing you guys and trying on with you guys the products that I got in this month's Boxy charm. So let's just dive into this box. So the first two things that I noticed in my Boxy charm, I did open the box earlier. The first two things I noticed in my Boxy charm were these right here, and these are by Sol de Janiero, and this is the shampoo and the conditioner. Now I love the Brazilian Bum Bum cream from Sol de Janiero. It smells delicious. This smells just like the Bum Bum cream and the body wash. So if you guys have the Bum Bum cream, this shampoo and conditioner smell exactly like it. Now I don't know if this will work on my hair texture or hair type. I'm definitely going to try the conditioner because I feel like conditioner is conditioner, so I'm gonna definitely try conditioner on my hair. But the shampoo, I don't know if I'll use it, or I might just pass these along just because I don't know if it's made for like my hair type and hair texture, but we'll see. I mean, I'm thinking of just trying the conditioner and just trying to see how it is. But I think it's really cute how they come in like travel sizes, because if you're someone who travels, I know right now like nobody's traveling, but in the future I think that this is really ideal for traveling. These are 3 fluid ounces, so I think that's pretty like for TSA it's safe, but I think this is really cute and these smell amazing. Now another thing that I got in the box is this Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and this has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. And the way that you use it is you can mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum, and it can be applied in the morning and evening. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to put this booster on my skin, and this claims that it helps reduce sun damage, it evens out skin tone, and it improves the appearance of aged and stressed skin. So I'm actually interested in this because this is like a pretty decent size. It's 1 fluid ounces, which is like standard size for like serums and stuff. But I'm gonna apply some of this serum to my skin, and it smells pretty like neutral. It doesn't have like a super overpowering smell. I'm just gonna apply this to my skin. It says it does reduce like dark spots. It evens out your skin tone, so I'm really interested about that. It feels like really nice on the skin. It does feel like kind of tacky and sticky, but I mean that's, it's a serum. So the next thing that I got in the box is this right here. This is by Beaute, and this is the Blush in Paradise palette. This is a blush palette, and it's such a beautiful palette. Like I love these 4 colors. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to do an eye look with this palette, and I'm obviously going to use it as a blush too, but I really want to do an eye look with this. Like I love these berry tones. These are so pretty. So I'm just going to do a quick look, and I'll zoom you guys in and show you guys how I create this look with this. This is the blush as eyeshadow, and I really like the way these blend. I know they say like you're not supposed to use blush on your eyes, but I just decided to do a look with the blush palette because we didn't get like an eyeshadow palette. So I really love these colors. I am going to now use this eyeliner that we got, and this is from the brand Doucce. It's D-O-U-C-C-E, so I would say Doucce. So this is a black eyeliner, so I'm just gonna do like a wing with this, and yeah. So I just put the eyeliner and it took me like 20 minutes because this eye was fine, but this eye was giving problems. But I really like the eyeliner. I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera and I will be back for the final product to test that product out for you guys. Finished my full face. I have a very berry toned makeup going today. So the last thing that I got in the box is this setting spray. It is a dewy setting coconut mist, and this is by Ciate London, and it's from the Everyday Vacay. I think like there's a whole line like the Everyday Vacay, and I always am afraid of coconut stuff, like putting coconut on my skin, but I'm just gonna use this setting mist and hopefully it does not irritate my skin, hopefully. Okay, oh, I forgot to tell you guys that I did apply the blush from the Ace Beaute palette. I took the last two darkest shades and I just blended them together. I really love the way it looks on my cheeks. It looks so beautiful and so berry, and I will definitely be using this blush palette in the future. I really like this palette. When I sprayed this on my face, I just got reminded of my cruise that I went on 2 years ago, and it just smells like so coconutty, and I think of pina coladas, and it just smells so good. Like, it smells very vacation-y, very tropical. These are all the products that I received this month from BoxyCharm. So I really love this right here. This is my favorite from the box, the blush palette. I just love the colors. I love how all of these colors work for me, and I really like these as eyeshadows. I know we're not supposed to use them as eyeshadows, but I really like this. I mean, some people say you can't use them. I don't think there's like a rule or anything about that. I'm not sure, but I really love the palette. I really also did like the eyeliner. It was very easy to work with, and it's super, like, it dries really nicely. It didn't smudge or anything. I don't really know how I feel about the serum yet because I only used it once. I have to use it for like 2 weeks to really get an opinion on it. And then the setting spray, my skin looks pretty dewy with it actually. My skin looks really nice, and I feel like my highlight looks more like beaming and stuff, and I just feel like the makeup really melted together. But I'm just scared of the side effects, if there are any side effects from it. And then the shampoo and stuff, I don't really know if I'm going to use it because I want to wash my hair. So the overall value of my month's BoxyCharm is $146.95. Now that is a lot of money, and I only pay $26 and some change every month for BoxyCharm. So if you're someone who wants to try out, you know, makeup and try out skincare, and you don't like, you know, and you want to just try new things, I would definitely recommend getting BoxyCharm and trying them out. And I really just love getting new makeup and stuff, so that's why I have BoxyCharm. Hey guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what you got in your month's BoxyCharm, if you got BoxyCharm. And thank you again for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.